Well, being Massachusetts, computing, this is one of the areas with MIT and the other universities in which we rapidly experimented. When I was at MIT, I helped create something called the Student Information Processing Board, fancy name. But all we did was we made computing accessible to the students. So any student who wanted to do computing can get access to the big computers. Remember, cost millions of dollars in those days, and those millions of dollars in money that was much more expensive. So it would be tens of millions of dollars for computers, and we made them accessible to students so they can experiment.
Just keeping that talent here. When you have a pool of universities and schools from kindergarten up, that is the envy of the country and really the world. The biggest opportunity is how to keep that talent here and use it to push this economy forward.
Universities are a center for not only the workers, they're a center for innovation. They educate our financial and investment community.
It's Harvard and MIT and BU and Northeastern and all of the other, and UMass for sure, that are at the heart of really generating all of the energy for the new enterprises that happen.
Teacher professional development, advocacy and outreach, which is a large part of my job. And we've worked with a number of different countries in Holland, Northern Ireland, England, Canada, as well as in the 50 states. We just recently learned that our elementary curriculum has been used in at least 50 of our United States, and to some degree. At least 50 of the states. Well, actually, and what we're really looking at is that the penetration within that state. So all 50 states, our curriculum is used, and that's a very exciting thing for us too. So now we're looking at to the depth and the penetration of that kind of work for kids to help them connect math and science through technology and engineering.
Massachusetts has this incredible infrastructure of the schools, so many of them around here in information technology. And then we're on Main Street here, along Main Street, we have Microsoft Research Lab, we have VMware, we have Google, we have Nokia. There's so many research labs for major companies around here.
It is great to have very talented people, and Massachusetts is very fortunate that we do have some of the finest universities and as well as high-tech industry. But if we're not building that pipeline, I think the whole notion of us having a shortage of trained professionals to work, that is only going to get smaller if we are not nurturing the pipeline. And the pipeline starts at pre-K, kindergarten, all the way through and spiraling through 12th grade. So if we are building a better cadre of well-prepared students that could pursue careers in science, IT, engineering, I think we would be doing a much better job, and I don't think we would have a shortage. I think, if anything, we would have a much better prepared society of students, not only pursuing careers in STEM, but other fields as well.
At the heart of broadband deployment in the state, we're at the heart of the deployment of electronic medical records. We're at the heart of the effort to find new technologies in healthcare that improve quality and reduce cost. So we have never been busier in a more exciting way.